Suppose we want to bin our departure time like what we did in Excel. Suppose you want to do it that particular way. If you left it to the default, then we don't know how it is done. Just equally into 10, the HPBN node automatically classifies them into different bins. But if you want to control that, then you have to use a transform variables node. Okay. And here again you can use the automatic binning okay, so here the number of bins for optimal binning and so on, we can use that. But if you want to control exactly how the binning is going to be done, then we have to enter SAS code. SAS code will do exactly what we did in Excel. So that would be, we have to go if, okay, departure time. So that's the variable. So you need to know what the variable name is, which is right here, departure time. Okay. So, and this is going to be a lot of if statements. So if departure time is less than 600, first is 600, right? 600 is 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m. So if it is that, then now we're going to create a new variable. So let's call the new variable bin departure time. Okay. And we want to use right 5:59, and we end that with a semicolon, and then we have to do an else if. Okay. Now I'm going to copy that part and paste it here. So if that's not so, if departure time is not less than 600, then the next else if would be performed, and now we can say 700. Okay. Then the bin time will be 6 o'clock through 6:59. And then, well, now let's copy the else part and do several of these. And we're going to have to go and change this 700 to 800, 900, then 1000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Is that how many we need? 18, 19, 20, 21, after that 20, then okay. So finally So here what we need finally is just simply an else. Okay, so which means if none of these are true, okay, so this will be actually for the last one, for the last if. So we can even put it like that. So the last if, even if that is not true, which means the time is greater than or equal to 21, that okay. So now we have to adjust these. So 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's kind of messy. So this is the reason why sometimes if you don't have a specific reason that it has to be in a binned in a particular way, you're probably better off just leaving it to the I made a mistake here. I should start from 6. See, you have to be careful and double check, make sure there are no typos here. 20. So then change that to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17, 20, and the last will be 21. And up. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and run it. And let's look at the exported data. Trash. So make sure that we have the binned variable. So right there. So we have the binned variable. So now we need to set up a partition and then do the naive base